Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to split a PDF file into separate pages, completely free and super easy. For example, I have a PDF with 4 pages and I want to turn them into 4 individual PDF files. First, open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Next, open the I Love PDF website. I've placed the link in the description below. Once the website loads, simply drag your PDF file into the upload area. After it uploads, you'll see different splitting options. Choose Split by Page Range if you only want to extract specific pages. Or select Extract All Pages to turn every page into its own PDF file automatically. Once you've selected your option, click Split PDF. Wait a few seconds while the tool processes your file. Then click Download Split PDF to save the files to your computer. Open your Downloads folder and move the zipped folder to anywhere you prefer. Now, right-click the zipped folder and click Extract. Once the extraction is done, you'll see all your split PDF files inside. And that's it. You successfully split your PDF file for free. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.